Hello everybody and welcome to the Drayton Manor Hotel. Today we're going to be exploring one of our Thomas and Friends themed rooms. Let's go! All the Thomas and Friends themed rooms feature this very exclusive hand-painted Thomas and Friends artwork. This Sodor track leading to the kids' bunk beds with their own TVs to catch up on Thomas. This comfy double bed to rest, and all the amenities you need to prep for an exciting day ahead. Check out our stay and play packages. You could get an overnight stay, including breakfast, and then entry to Drayton Manor, home of Europe's only Thomasland, which is just a stone's throw away.